Hello there. Welcome to our channel MindFuel TV. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of marketing and exploring how you can become a marketing expert. Marketing is a dynamic field, constantly evolving with new technologies and trends. It's about understanding consumer behavior, crafting compelling messages, and delivering value. So, how do you become a master of this ever-changing landscape? Let's break it down. First, build a strong foundation. This means understanding the core principles of marketing. Learn about the 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. Study market research, consumer psychology, and branding. A solid understanding of these fundamentals is crucial. Next, specialize. Marketing is a broad field. Do you enjoy the creative side? Explore content marketing, social media marketing, or graphic design. Are you more analytical? Consider SEO, data analytics, or marketing automation. Finding your niche will help you focus your efforts and become an expert in a specific area. Education is key. While experience is invaluable, formal education can provide a structured learning path. Consider a degree in marketing, business, or a related field. Numerous online courses and certifications are also available. These can help you gain specific skills and stay up to date with the latest trends. Gain practical experience. Theory is important, but nothing beats hands-on experience. Seek internships, volunteer opportunities, or freelance projects. This will allow you to apply your knowledge and build a portfolio. Network. Connect with other marketing professionals. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to people you admire. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights. Stay curious and keep learning. The marketing world is constantly changing. New platforms, technologies, and strategies emerge regularly. Make a commitment to lifelong learning. Read industry blogs, listen to podcasts, and attend webinars. Embrace data. Data is the lifeblood of modern marketing. Learn how to analyze data to understand campaign performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Develop your communication skills. Marketing is all about communication. You need to be able to write compelling copy, create engaging presentations, and communicate effectively with clients and colleagues. Be creative and innovative. Marketing is not just about following a formula. It's about finding new and creative ways to reach your target audience. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Be patient and persistent. Becoming a marketing expert takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep networking. And most importantly, be passionate about marketing. Your passion will drive you to succeed. Now, I want to invite you to like, follow, share, and subscribe to MindFuel TV for more insightful content like this. We cover a wide range of topics related to personal and professional development, so don't miss out. Thank you for watching. Comment below what you want to see next.